cybersecurity is a mix of 1,000 different fields. And then when you niche it down to industrial cybersecurity, your water, your electricity, things that impact our daily life. Whenever I talk about my degree, where I went for education, people ask, oh, what East Coast university did you go to? I'm like, nope, I'm homegrown. I went to Idaho State University.
The Industrial Cybersecurity program is a great program to go through. You get to actually be more hands-on and in the machines and programming them, configuring them, securing them.
Graduates from this program are able to become very well-rounded cybersecurity professionals that allows them to pursue careers in a lot of different exciting fields.
The Industrial Control System Cybersecurity program at ISU helped me develop the skills to be able to talk to engineers and cybersecurity professionals and really bridging the gap between those two fields.
Right now I'm doing my capstone, setting up a physical network that simulates an industrial network. I have to secure that with old infrastructure, which is typical of what you will see out in industry.
If you're going to invest in us, invest in our program here at ISU, we want to ensure you're going to get a job afterwards. We've got good partnerships with local and national industry partners that are interested in hiring our graduates.
Coming to ISU and doing the cybersecurity program, I feel like my future has been set up by not only a program, but also the awesome instructors that are here.
I can't stress enough of how excited I am to go to my job every single day. I can see that it has a real impact, not just in my small community, but I have personally been able to have global impact. I couldn't imagine doing something else.